In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not available to you. So first thing first, we enter to our Facebook. Alright, so what you want to do next is click on this and then right here. Okay, so if your marketplace is not showing up like this, or you have a problem, so all you have to do is just go to help and support right here. Okay, click on help and support, then you want to click on report a problem. So it says go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. You can do that, or you can click on continue to report a problem. All right, so you're gonna click on include. So we're gonna scroll down and then click on marketplace, so you can describe the issue, and then whatever issue you're having with your marketplace, you can take a screenshot and upload from your phone. So then you write the issue you want. So you send it right here with this arrow key. It says thank you, your feedback has been reported. So all you have to do is just wait and you get an email from Facebook. So this is the easiest way to fix your marketplace. So if you gain something from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.